大家好，我是奥地利的小胡，想装胖，除了吃黄油，还可以吃这个。今天我教你们怎么做蛋黄酱和 upgraded version 蒜香蛋黄酱。蛋黄酱做起来很快，你们要蛋黄、盐、黄芥末酱、油、一个柠檬和一点点白醋。记得用可以生吃的鸡蛋把蛋黄和黄芥末酱放到一起。我今天用 Dijon mustard because I like it a little bit sharp。然后用打蛋机打散。慢慢分次，加入油，边加不停的搅拌。Start with adding drop by drop and slowly start to add a little bit more oil. Also, I'm using corn oil because it is mostly flavorless. I want the flavor to come from the egg and the mustard, not from the oil. 边加油，可以看到这个酱越来越浓稠。现在加一小勺醋，我也喜欢加一点点柠檬汁。我觉得是这样，这个蛋黄酱的味道就更丰富。But you can just choose by yourself. If you're afraid it will be sour, just don't add it. 最后加盐，是这样就好了。This is basic French mayonnaise. Of course, Japanese people, they like to make it a bit sweet and add some sugar, but basically from this recipe, you can go anywhere you like. You can add some spices if you like so. You can add paprika, cheese, or anything else. Like what I'm going to show you after this, the upgrade version, garlic mayo, alioli. 盖起来，放到冰箱里。放到冰箱里可以保证1到2个星期。做蒜香蛋黄酱，你们要一样的东西，但是也要一点大蒜。And this time 我们用橄榄油。第一步，把橄榄油倒进锅里，把大蒜放进去，小火加热，这样小火煎熟大蒜就好了。煎熟后，关火，放到旁边冷水，冷却后过滤。现在我们用这个油做蛋黄酱 ，the rest is the same。再把大蒜切碎，把大蒜、盐和醋倒进去，搅拌均匀，最后加柠檬汁。然后试一下，自己做的蛋黄酱就很好吃。It's really quick to make, even though you could buy it in the store. This is so easy, and the beauty of it is you can easily make out of it whatever you want. Add some cumin, paprika powder, cheese, make it spicy, whatever you like. Make a garlic version. And this kind of sauce, you can use it for so many things. You can eat it with crackers or small bread, crisps like this, or you can put it on a burger. You can make salad dressings with it. You can make French fries and dip your French fries in it. Sweet potato fries. There's endless options and no limitations. 然后试一下蒜香蛋黄酱。很香的大蒜口味。喝酒的时候用薯片或小吃蘸这个汁就很好吃。谢谢你看我的视频，是你 让我想要努力拍更好的视频和说中文。点赞、分享和 please 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 关注我，你的关注才能让我继续拍摄。Love you guys!